Hello everyone. This video we are going to look for how much of profit I make it in the year 2024. Okay, so how much of realized profit, that is what we are going to look in this video, as well as the overview of market today, that is also we are going to look. Due to the tariff, what will be the impact about UAE stock market, that is also we are going to look for a couple of seconds. Okay, so without making delay, let's see. Right now you are looking for the interface of international securities, because I am using for international securities broker. Suppose if you are using for other broker, in a sense your interface will be different. Okay, so from here if you are looking for ADX, okay, under that the growth or top level stocks, I'm clicking over here for tops. So what are the stocks will be in top level, in a sense, that is USG or WTH, that is for related to ETF. Okay, so if ETF has given for 11.48 percentage increase, that is for Sharia growth fund. Okay, and next will be Gita, that is a company, 8.34. These kind of stocks, if you are looking POMS or ROC, WCT, Abu Dhabi Airport, okay, Burjil, AMR, these kind of stocks. And top loser, if you are looking, in a sense, E7W, that is 7 point, that is a 7 percentage will be in down. So, and top turnover stocks will be IHG. Okay, these are all the stocks, as well as top volume will be this kind of but the stock will be in top volume. So far the current price will be 266, and top trades will happen for ADNOC gas, and that should be a positive moment, because right now we are telling the crude oil prices will be going down. In the global market the price will be down, but from here in the market, for ADX, Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange, it will be in uptrend only. This is from 10th April, okay, 2025 data. And another point of view, if you're going for DFM point of view, that should be on increment for MR dips will be in 6%, remaining all below 6% only. The other stocks in general, if you're looking, and top losers will be NINT, that should be a 9% variation, and bank stocks will be 9%, EI Bank, Emirates Islamic Bank, okay, that should be a 9% down over here. And if you are looking other stocks, and from here top turnover stock will be MR, and top volume will be DIVA, okay, Dubai Electricity and Water Authority. These are all the trades will be happen for top trades. So in point of view DFM as well as ADX we look, and rest all for forex related, and this is Bahrain stocks and multi stock exchange. Okay, and these kind of indexes will be there, other indexes will be there. So we looked only for DFM as well as ADX. Okay, let's see for my account summary. Okay, under the account summary, this is the data only for until December. Okay, that is what I am showing over here. So if I'm clicking under the account summary, from here home, order list, trades, account summary and portfolio is available. Just you can click for account summary. Okay, and from there it's available for M as well as N, so you need to select over here as okay, from here it's available M as well as N, you need to select for N over here, and it's available realized profit loss. Okay, so realized profit loss, in a sense, what is a realized profit? Realized profit is a exact profit which you gain from your capital. Okay, we can say for as a capital gain. For normally in India we can say for yearly once we will pay for a tax, right? On which amount we will pay for a tax? This realized profit only we will pay for a tax. What's the meaning of realized? If you are buying for a particular stock, once if you are selling that particular stock, if you are making for profit, in a sense, that is a realized profit. Suppose in a loss value, if you are selling, in a sense, that is a realized loss. Okay, so the particular transaction has been completed, and after that if you are getting for a profit, in a sense, that is a realized profit. If you are getting loss, in a sense, that is called realized loss. Okay, so for the capital gain which we are paying for realized profit only. But in UAE point of view, for individual capital gain we are not going to pay for any tax. So everybody knows, right? We are getting salary in UAE, we are not paying for any tax. Most of the people will aware about it. UAE is tax free country. So from here I made it for 1964.12 as a realized profit in the year 2024, because most of the people know very well I started my journey, okay, for trading journey from UAE on February 2024, right? So for the 11 month, I earned this much of capital gain along with the dividend income also. Say for example, you can go over here from the calculator. This is what the capital gain I received, as well as I posted one more video related to dividend, how you can receive dividend from DFM. Okay, from there I have shown for the proof of dividend which I received, the stock which I invested for Emirates NBD for 654. So total gain, if you are looking in a sense, this much of gain I received. So my investment amount will be in 10,000. So if you're putting for 10,000 over here, you will get it 0.26. It means 26%. That is 26.18% I gained. Okay. So this will be the higher profit while you're investing in a fixed income securities or else and saving bank, right? Those suppose if I'm invested this 10,000 dirham to those things, in a sense I will get it for low return only while compared with the stock market. So from 2024 for the 11 month which I earned for 26% return. Okay, so I think because most of the followers, you are following my videos, you are looking how you can do it, how you can some related financial aspect of videos which I am posting, which is helpful for to you, something related to theoretical as well as practical also. Theoretical in a sense, first you should know what is a theory says, then you need to apply in your knowledge in a practical way. That's necessary, because most of the people not even look for a theoretical straight away. If you're coming and looking for practical, and if you're raising query, in a sense you never gain anything. If you're looking for theoretical, then apply that knowledge into an practical, in a sense surely you will gain. Okay, so in another query you will ask me, what are the portfolio have you followed, right? The portfolio reveal which you are selecting your portfolio entirely different from my portfolio, because I took for high risk. That's the reason I have gained for high return in a yearly basis. Suppose if you're comparing with other traders and all, if you're asking them 26% will be a good realized profit or not, in a sense they will tell you it will be a good profit, right? So what I'm telling at the end of this video, focus for the theoretical, learn it, because even though for the theoretical also I'm giving as a small thing only, right? So that one you can learn it, then those things you can apply in your stocks which you are going to choose. That will be very helpful to you, and you also can make a profit for the UAE stock market. Okay, if there is any query, you can leave a comment below. I think this kind of video you expected from me. So anyhow, for 2024 I revealed. Once completed for 2025, then I will reveal my portfolio to you. Okay, so until then, let's see for the new video. Thank you everyone. Thank you for watching this. Bye.